Mae'n moment hanesyddol I gyrraedd yr Euro. Sut ydych chi fel carfan yn teimlo?
Mae pawb yn buzzing. Ni'n chwarae am moment fel hyn, so I bod yma yn dechrau'r journey, mae pawb yn just gyffroes iawn.
It feels real now. I feel like until we were here and kind of everyone was settled in, it was still like a dream. But now we're all here, we're ready to go. Yeah, the vibes are very, very good.
It's obviously an honour to be selected and I think we're all just so excited to get going. So yeah, it's all exciting.
Mae pob gêm ni wedi dysgu rhywbeth I tyfu fel tîm. A I dod i'r pwynt yma, a ni'n actually neud just tyn bach o pinch me foment I pawb.
Be oedd un o'r uchaf bwyntiau I chdi o'r rowndiau a'r gêm ar rhagbrofol I gyrraedd fama?
A game against Ireland.
Y gêm olaf?
Yeah, a game olaf.
Oh, it's got to be that Ireland away game when we actually did it. It was unbelievable.
The winning in Dublin's top. I think the celebrations after that, I don't think I'll ever have celebrations like it again, to be fair.
Be di'r 3 peth pwysica sy'n yn dy ces di?
Wel, mae 'da fi ffôn.
I wneud y TikToks?
I wneud content. Fi'n hoffi rannu beth fi'n wneud ar camps. So fi'n edrych mlaen a dangos pobl beth mae'r major tournament fel.
My skincare, always needed.
Perfume, it's essential.
Slick back brush.
A good hairbrush.
Probably like slick back stuff, like gel, brush.
All 3 of you have said a hairbrush for the slick back.
You have to. You can't have flyaways in the wind. This is a nightmare, that is.
Pa chwaraewr fydd yn serennu'n yr Euros blwyddyn yma?
Fi'n just edrych ymlaen I chwaraewyr Cymru. I wneud ar y big stage o dangos beth mae Kerry gallu wneud, Jess gallu wneud, Carrie yn wneud. A mae pawb yn just edrych ymlaen I chwarae. So gobeithio bydd ni'n gallu gael sbri.
Pwy ti'n mynd I fod yn rhannu stafell efo?
O'n i'n rannu gyda Elise, a mae Elise yn fel best friend fi ar camp.
Normally it's Lily. Lily Woodham is my roomie.
Is she a good roomie?
She's a great roomie. We're best friends anyway, so it's ideal, really.
Normally I'm with Char. She's bestie, so we have a great time.
Os oes ti'n gorfod osgoi rhywun I rhannu stafell efo, pwy fysa ti'n dewis?
Falle Charlie, achos mae Charlie, mae stafell hi'n mes.
Well, maybe Fionn, because she's on the phone till all hours of the night.
Digon teg. Wyt ti'n gallu disgrifio y garfan yma mewn 3 gair?
Ffynnu, mae pawb yn ffynnu, mae pobl mor hilarious ar camp. Teulu, mae pawb yn mor agos. A wedyn, jyst yn gweithio galed.
Hard working, fun and together.
Family, resilient and determined.
Wyt ti'n gallu marcio dy techers di allan o 10?
6.
I give myself 7.5.
I'm going to go 7.
Fi'n gloi.
Ie.
Mae ddim skills dy fi, ond rai weithiau fi'n mynd past people, so mae hwnna'n techers, falle.
Be fysa dy neges di i'r cefnogwyr ifanc sydd yn gwylio adra?
Just watch our games. Gobeithio bydd ni'n gallu ysbrydoli chi.
Firstly, thank you for all the support. They've been massive.
Enjoy watching. It's going to be an amazing tournament and yeah, just have fun and watch as much as you can.
If they do play football, stick at it because we've done it now and the older girls have done it for the likes of me and we're kind of trying to do it for the younger generation.
Gobeithio bydd ni'n gallu ysbrydoli pawb.
Chwaraewr sydd efo'r techers gorau?
Carrie neu Kerry?
Jess.
Chwaraewr sydd yn hyfforddi gorau?
Hayley lad.
Kerry is a very good trainer.
Is she?
She's very good, yeah.
I'd say Esther Morgan.
Rhywun sy'n casau ymarfer?
Neb.
Na, da iawn.
Lily gets the most head loss in training.
Does she?
So sometimes the head goes.
I tend to get head loss very fast, so I'd say that was probably, could be me.
Y chwaraewr sy'n cymryd yr amser hiraf I fod yn barod?
Josie Green.
Maybe Jose.
Mae hi'n edrych yn prydferth ar ôl, so.
Lily likes to redo her hair about 10 times.
Okay.
She does shout at me for that. She'll come to my room and she's like, you ready? I'm like, yeah. And I'll go back in, redo my hair 4 times. And she's like, you weren't ready, were you? You weren't ready. Yeah, I do that a lot.
Y chwaraewr sy'n wastad ar ei ffôn? Di hwnna'n chdi?
Theon.
Theon, but she is doing content, so we'll let her off with that one.
Achos fi'n vlogo, so
Ie, ie.
ma' hwnna'n wahanol.
Ti'n just anna fo'n scrollio,
Ie, ie.
ti yn neud gwaith
Ie,
arno fo.
fi'n gweithio.
Chwaraewr mwyaf drygioni.
O, fi hefyd. Ie, fi.
Me, Theon and Elise do like to play pranks on Lily a lot.
Because you get pranked, I've heard.
Oh, my, yeah,
By
yeah, it's the
Fiona and
worst.
Charlie.
Yeah, all the time.
We did do one a couple of camps ago where we convinced her that Rian wanted to have a meeting with her on the plane, so she walked down the plane and sat down next to her.
I got sent to the manager. She didn't want to speak to me, but they told me that she did.
They just sat there chatting for 10 minutes, neither of them knowing what was going on.
Lleiaf ffasiynol.
Un o'r ferched hen a fi'n credu. You can guess.
Do you know what? I'm going to say myself, purely based off my chains.
The
But I've
chains
had-
are on at the minute? No.
They are, if you just, all three, if I just dangle them out, yeah, they're always on,
Yeah.
they don't come off. So I'm going to say me, but based off the chains.
Pwy ydy'r mwyaf galluog?
Esther.
I reckon Hayley, lad. She's always got a little fact for you.
I'd say Hayley strikes me as the most intelligent. She's very switched on.
Pwy di clown y garfan?
Rowie neu Kaylee.
Hayley's up there, Theon, and probably Rowie.
Rowie or Kay, maybe. Kay's been on top form this camp. She's got a new TikTok account, so that's been very funny to witness.
Poser y garfan?
Lily Woodham.
Be mae'n neud?
Just the chains.
I would say I could be a bit of a poser, especially on the gram. So I'll say myself.
Fair.
I'm going to say Fee. Not I'd say just because she's everywhere.
Loves the camera
She
in her
loves
face.
the camera now at the moment.
Pwy sy'n licio chwarae'r cerddoriaeth mwyaf embarrassing?
Ooh.
The older ones love a bit of cheesy music. Rowie loves a bit of cheesy music.
I'd say probably the older generation. I don't mind it. I don't mind some of the songs that come on. Just some I'm not on board with, you know?
Y dawnsiwr gorau?
Fi.
Probably Theon. Yeah, she's got some moves.
She's just in time with every song.
Pwy di dawnsiwr gweitha?
Ooh. Falle... Carrie Jones.
I'd say Carrie Jones avoids dancing.
Okay.
So that's probably a sign.
I'm not going to give worse, I'm going to give most improved. Has James and Harris.
Really?
Yeah, we've been working on it and she's climbing her way up the
So
ladder.
throughout her time in the squad?
Oh, she's definitely most improved, for sure, yeah.
Canwr gorau?
Theon, do you know if she actually sings properly, she's all right. Theon's actually really good at singing, like, classical.
Oh, what?
Yeah, odds.
Y canwr gweithaf?
Elise.
Again, training today, Kaylee did a rendition of Staying Alive.
Did she?
Oh, and that was ear piercing, part of it.
Yng Ngrŵp Cymru yn yr Euros, mae Lloegr, i'r Iseldiroedd a Ffrainc. Felly, dwi'n mynd i ddysgu chydig bach o'r lingo i'r chwaraewyr i'w helpu nhw ar y cae. Wel, Ffrangeg a Iseldireg. Pêl, yn amlwg, yn Ffrangeg, bale.
Bale.
Ballet.
Yn Iseldireg, ffwtbal.
Football.
Iawn. Come on.
I know that one, I got that one.
Gêm, le match.
Le match.
Le match.
Le match.
Spell,
Spell.
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 like spell.
Oh, wow.
Kick o'r smotyn, un penalty.
Un penalty.
Un penalty.
Yeah, penalty.
Yn Iseldireg, bwte.
Booty.
Booty. Just, yeah,
So you can't guess.
kick it, booty,
yeah.
like.
Booty. So French is easy as what I'm gathering so far.
Gol, un boot.
Un boot.
Un boot.
And boot.
Iseldireg, dŵl.
Dŵl.
Door.
Duel.
Yeah.
For goal. Wow.
Kick gosb, foot. Yn
Foot.
Ffrangeg.
Oh,
There's a lot of
I thought you
foot
were
and
gonna say
boots and...
Un foul then.
No. Foot, apparently. Ti'n mynd i gallu neud hwn achos o'r a siarad Cymraeg.
Okay.
Chec.
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 Oh, so you can do that. Well done. Chec.
Chech.
Chec.
Chech.
Defence, un Défenseur.
Défenseur. I like that word.
In French.
Un défenseur, yeah.
And then in Dutch, it's verdediger.
Oh, verdediger.
Verdediger.
Dutch is hard.
Ti'n ymosodwr, felly yn buwtyr, a wedyn spits
Spits.
yn Iseldireg. Na chdi, hawdd i gofio hynna gyd wan, ynddi?
Na.